Why do you look like this? Who told you to look like this? They said, our God tells us. They worship their king. They said, our God told us to look like this. Prophet said, then know that my God tells me to have a beard and shave my mustache, or trim my mustache. And he commanded. Now today, if I tell my brothers that, brother, at least don't have a full, shiny, clean shave, some people may mistaken you for somebody else. At least don't do that. To say, oh, brother, that's too extreme. That's not extreme. Prophet of Allah recommended that. A Muslim should look different. Muslim has his own identity. You want to sag your pants, you want to look different, and you want to have tattoos, you want to have ear pierced, and still you want to be called Muslim, mashallah. Sure, in the eyes of people, you may still be Muslim. But are we Muslims in the eyes of Allah then?